If you've been looking for new construction here in the Central Florida area for any period of time, you've probably seen a lot of D.R. Horton options, Ryan Homes, Lennar, and so forth, but what about something that's a little bit different? And so today we're actually looking at Kolter builds, and they've got 2 communities going on here in the north side of Orlando that's easy access to the Orlando area just off of I-4. That is the Reserve of Victoria and Cresswind at Lake Winnemissette. So stay tuned. We're going to talk a little bit more about these communities here today, and we're going to look at their model homes that they have to offer. Hi, I'm Charlie Peterson with the Peterson Group at Keller Williams Heritage Realty. We service the North Orlando market out to New Smyrna Beach here in the Central Florida area, and we would love to give you the comprehensive service that you are looking for your next real estate move. So reach out to us on the phone number on the screen. Let's talk about location real quick about the Reserve of Victoria. This property is located just off of MLK Boulevard, also known as Kepler Road, here in DeLand on the southeast side of DeLand, just off of exit 116 on I-4. Now this location is just a few minutes away from downtown DeLand, which is an award-winning historic community. And then you've also got easy access down into Seminole County, just about 25 minutes away there. And if you love the beach, you're only about 30 minutes away from the locals' favorite, New Smyrna Beach. And so you've got just an easy access, great expanding neighborhood here, great model that's going on as far as the growth. They've got Publix nearby, all the shopping you can think of, even bigger box stores within 30 minutes very quickly. So let's jump into the HOA information real quick. Here in this neighborhood, you do get the lawn care maintained for you. So all the grass, shrubs, and so forth will be maintained. You get irrigation water with reclaimed water. Then you've got pickleball courts, tennis courts, a community pool, and playground as well, all for only $245 a month at the time of this video. So that may be subject to increase once the developer is finished in here, but that is actually a very low HOA considering all that you get here in this neighborhood. And no CDD fees. Okay, so real quick, I want to show you what comes standard here in these builds. They actually have a model home here at the community that shows you a little bit more of what's standard. Over my shoulder, you're going to see the standard size door here in the living spaces. It's a 10-foot, but it's the 3-panel wide, so still just a ginormous door. You can see some of the more base tile here as well. And then into the kitchen as well, you've got the 42-inch upper cabinets. You can see it's done up a little bit less upgraded than some of the other models that we were just looking at. So this just gives you a good feel of what you get at the base prices here in this neighborhood. And you can see that it is highly elevated compared to some of the other builders, really making Kolter stand out. To give you a little reference on how tall this door is that comes standard with these builds. Now the standard isn't necessarily the width, but the height of these. This is actually a 10-foot door and I'm 6.5 feet tall. So you can have an idea that I'm a pretty tall guy and this door is huge, along with some of the transom windows that you'll see along here in the neighborhood that comes standard here in this community. They did such a good job bringing in lots of natural light here in this Kolter build in the Reserve of Victoria. Now we are at Cresswind at Lake Winnemissette, which is Kolter's 55+ gated community here just off of Lake Winnemissette, hence the name. And this is located just east of downtown DeLand off of 44 and the exit at 44 and I-4. So you're very close to exit 118, about 30 minutes away from New Smyrna Beach, 10 minutes from downtown DeLand or less, and then easy access down to I-4 to get into like the Orlando, the attractions. But this development here was really designed around the lifestyle, which is what Kolter really specializes in. And by that, I mean, you've got access to different kind of entertainment classes, you've got workout groups, you've got different lifestyle events and so forth. They'll bring in live bands, live music, they'll bring in food and so forth for the community. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more community oriented, got the lifestyle behind it, you want to meet new people, this could be something that's a great option for you. And the HOA is only $465 per month, giving you lawn care, irrigation, giving you access to the clubhouse amenities and the gated access here to the neighborhood. So could be a great option for you, and it's not for everybody. If you're looking for more of a no HOA, this is not going to be it for you. But if you're looking for something that's just ease of maintenance, but still you've got your own single family home, this is it. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other models that they have to offer here. Okay, real quick about this house here is one of my favorite features. You've actually got a 4-car garage on this home. So if you're looking for something where you could have got collector cars, you've got your daily car, your show-off car, whatever it is, check this out. You've got a 2-car garage over here and a 2-car garage right here. Something you don't see very often in any new construction home, especially in an HOA 55+ neighborhood, very rare. And if you want to take a look at every single model home offered here right now, go ahead and click the button that's going to pop up right here. That'll take you to a full video tour of 20 minutes of walking through every single home here, so you can see every single option there is available. So if you're looking for more information about the HOA, what kind of models and pricing in today's rates, because it could change from the time of this video. So if you're looking for more information like that, go ahead and set up a quick call with us. My phone number is here on the screen. We would love to help give you that comprehensive service you are looking for, especially if you're looking to move from out of state. It could be a big process, and we are here to make that easy for you. So go ahead and reach out to us here on the phone number on the screen, and we'll talk to you soon.